A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir Rahmanir Raheem. Sayyidina Muhammad's name, one of many names, infinite names, is Sayyidina YaSeen. In the heart of Holy Qur'an, in the heart of Surah al-Yasin, you cannot warn except those who ittabi, from ihtiba of the dhikr. They are obedient to the dhikr. They're obedient. One, physically they must always be in majlis of zikr. It's not something they leave out of their life, that haqq, my light, my food, my reality, everything comes in the majlis of dhikr. I am obedient to that dhikr. My life has to be around that dhikr. I can't go far without the dhikrullah or the mahfil and the celebration of the love of Sayyidina Muhammad. And then Allah begin to teach awliyaullah that what is the dhikr of Allah. And awliyaullah come into our lives and say, Inna Allahi wa malaikatuhu yusalloona ala nabi. The dhikr of Allah is the love of Sayyidina Muhammad, very deep, very powerful. Allah is giving us an immense reality that my dhikr, my remembrance, my hamd, all my love upon this reality of Sayyidina Muhammad. This is when the heart of Prophet is opening, and Allah is showing from ahlul basira, those whom their hearts are open. Our Sayyid, our Master Sayyidina Muhammad, the first of whom, the best of whom, the one whom Allah opened everything and everything from the reality of Muhammadan Rasulullah. Then look in your soul and look to this creation, everything is praising you, Ya Rasulullah. Your name is on all of paradises. Said, I named it for you, it is for you. Allah doesn't care for creation. Allah doesn't make Himself to be small and sit somewhere. Allah is the creator beyond the ocean of creation. That all this creation and all of its reality under Muhammadun Rasulullah wa rafa'na laka dhikrak, that we raised your remembrance. Everything from mulk to malakut is held together with malaika. And the malaika are making salawats on Sayyidina Muhammad. Then what is the dhikr of Allah? Because the salawats the angels are making. Dhikr of Allah upon the reality of Sayyidina Muhammad is the Holy Qur'an. It is the source of all power, the source of all realities. Everything is written upon the soul of Prophet. Every reality upon the soul of Prophet, every qudra and every power. So that when Prophet is teaching, make one praisings upon me, one salawat upon me, and Allah will allow my soul to come and praise 10 times upon your soul. It's when they begin to make durood al-sharif, excessive amounts of durood al-sharif, they are being dressed by Holy Qur'an. Prophet salawat upon them are the lights of Holy Qur'an. It's the fountain in which every reality are coming. So it means then enter into the heart of Prophet, and that's why Prophet was giving us the clue, if you want iman and you want faith, love me more than you love yourself. If you love, you enter into the heart of that one. When you're praising upon the one whom you love, that one is loving you and praising upon you. That love relationship is what brings the souls closer and closer.
Have you started planning for the cost of post-secondary education? We will help you open a plan and access thousands of dollars in government grants. Give your child a head start with a CET plan. Did you know that it may be possible to start an RESP and not contribute any of your own money? Call today and receive 25 air miles reward miles when you book a consultation.
Naz Window Blinds offers high-quality custom window coverings for both residential and commercial projects. We offer a stunning range of colors and design options. We also provide an on-site measurement and style consultation so that you can be sure you're getting the very best option for your windows. Let us enrich the look, feel, and value of your space with custom window coverings. Call Naz Blinds today.
Allah describes, we gave you the Kawthar, beyond kathir. Kawthar is beyond immense. Means I've given you, the Holy Qur'an is the light that dresses your reality, blesses your reality, is the power of all your reality. As a result you are the Kawthar of Allah. And all awliyaullah, pious people taking from Ashab al-Nabi taking from ahlul bayt al-Nabi reach to the Kawthar. If you want to drink from this Kawthar, live a life of sacrifice. These are the servants of Allah who their life is in zikr. As a result of being from the people of zikr, Allah begin to open their hearts. None understand these realities except the people of tafakkur, because they stop and they contemplate and they're continuously in contemplation. They're continuously trying to fix themselves in their bad character. They understood from these realities of awliyaullah that you must be beaten, you must be brought down, you must be inflicted with difficulty. Why? To show your love for Sayyidina Muhammad. They busy their life spreading love, they busy their lives spreading goodness, and people busy themselves trying to destroy them, trying to backbite them. Anytime you bring a haqq to people or to a person, Allah warning, they're not going to accept your truth. There are only certain souls that have programmed within them the ability to accept that truth. Look to the moon, it's all alone in the dark sky. The Arabic for darkness is zulm, oppression. And the moon's surface is continuously bombarded. That you take that bombarding for the love of Sayyidina Muhammad to show Prophet that you didn't come for these things, and that you pray for the people who are continuously trying to attack you, and that you forgive them and that Allah raise them by your du'a. There are some people who can achieve through good character, and they try to have good character and do good things. And there are people who cannot achieve through good character, so they do stupid things. And Allah asks from these people who are bombarded that pray for them. Pray that Allah forgive them. Sayyidina Isa and all the Prophets, forgive them my Lord, for they know not what they do. But as a means of what they're doing, awliyaullah will still lift them and forgive them. The Prophets led the example that we are going to take difficulty to show our love, we're going to take difficulty to show the way of humility. So then those whom difficulty are inflicted upon them, then these are those whom Allah loves dearly. Because if your shaykh or anyone inflicts difficulty upon you, if they're true and they're not backbiting and slanderous people, if they're pious people, means they're lifting you, they're showing you a sign from Allah that Allah's rida and satisfaction upon you. Every mushkilat, every type of difficulty, Allah is reminding, are you going to take this bitterness? Are you going to just complain to me and get angry? Or are you going to take this bitterness for the love of Sayyidina Muhammad? That Allah wants something. Sahabi want to come and teach us why Sayyidina Bilal suffered so much. Allah wants something from His servant. Allah wants to see the extent of how much this companion is going to endure of difficulty until his zikr was ahad. Ahad means he reached to the highest levels of firasa. Whatever mushkilat we have in life, for the love of Sayyidina Muhammad, Ya Rabbi, if that's what you're asking from me, inshaAllah give me strength. But at least bring me near and fragrance me with the love of Sayyidina Muhammad. If I see Prophet's happy smile, we can go for more crushing, no problem.
Many people come and see me saying how difficult it is to get into the market and buy your first home today. At Shah of Kukutlam, we have a range of solutions that helps you find the perfect home that fits your needs. For over a decade, we have helped hundreds of clients, from first-time buyers to seasoned investors, achieve their goals. We also provide free seminars and workshops, so when the time comes, you can make an educated decision to set you and your family up for life. Whatever your needs are, whatever your goals are, come and see me. My name is Shah and I can help you find the perfect home.
Almost 150,000 Canadians a year will use a homeless shelter. These people need food, clothing, and access to basic hygiene. Fatima Zahra Helping Hand is a non-profit organization with the goal of helping the underprivileged in Canada. Along with our active support for recent immigrants and refugees, one of our ongoing initiatives is to feed and clothe the homeless. For more than a decade, we have provided hundreds of thousands of hot meals to some of the most vulnerable and needy. We continue these efforts with several monthly initiatives. For more information or to donate, please visit our website, nurmuhammad.com.
ذكرا وخاشي الرحمن بالغيب. خاشي الرحمن بالغيب. Khashya, they have a heart that's been through. So Allah is talking to them, "O you who are from the people of the ghaib, you see what people don't see, you understand what people don't understand, that you understood this crushing from Sifatul Rahman, that you are connecting not in the seen but in the unseen world bi ghaib, that in your heart you are connecting and you have khushya, you have a fear, you have understanding, you have a hayba, that whatever order and dhikr comes from this authority, it is completely samina wa ata'na, there is no debate. Whatever order comes from Prophet that you are about to endure this, they say samina wa ata'na. It's all of this when Allah describing these awliya, that their ittiba, when they're following the dhikr, means they're following the commands not through the world that you see but through their spiritual practices. They see that authority and they follow that authority. And Allah describes that these people, they've been given maghfirah, that everything upon them is forgiven, and ajran kareem, that they have an immense and rich reward because of that love and because of what they endure. They're teaching for us to take the way of pious people, take the way of these realities, that they're not taking orders from the physical but their orders and their commands, all of their teaching is bil ghaib, is in the world that's not seen. The world that's not seen, they are with them, and in that world everything is clear, every order is clear. This dunya is the world of chaos. And now a deceitful one is coming onto this earth. They want for us that as much as we're making your physical world to be confusing, you should not be taking your faith from that physical world. You should have been practicing your bil ghaib, you should have been practicing your tafakkur, you should have been practicing through your heart to make a connection with them. And in that world of light it is true and there is no falsehood. And in that world of light every isharat and every order is going to come. And they want to see, what's your breaking point? When are you going to break? And then the world of the unseen comes and warns, hold tight, it's going to pass, hold tight. Allah's testing you, Allah's testing you to take you higher. Allah testing you to prepare you for this Dajjal coming upon this earth where nobody will be safe and all magic will be appearing, everything through your eyes will be of deceit. But Allah won't allow Dajjal to deceive those whom operate from their heart. Whatever they see from the physical they enter into their heart and their shaykhs are there, awliyaullah are there, Prophet there guiding them. But pay no attention to what you're seeing on top. We pray that Allah give us understanding and understand why we're being crushed in our lives. Don't say, Shaykh is only being crushed, all of you are being crushed. All of you have difficulty in your lives. They want something from us. When the crushing comes on the outside, it's not about sitting and crying, it's about how to meditate, how to contemplate. Ya Rabbi, I'm disgusted from this outside. Say, yes, then go back into your qabr, go back into your heart. This outside is disgusting. Go back into your heart, will you be with us? Build your heart connection inshaAllah. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifoon wa salaamun al mursaleen walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen bi hurmati Muhammadan Mustafa wa bassir Surat al-Fatiha. Our newest book, Lataif al-Qalb, Levels of the Heart. We share this book with all our audience. This is towards the love of Sayyidina Muhammad and walaqad karamna bani Adam. What Allah has bestowed of realities upon insan, these are oceans that have no beginning and no end. The understanding of the companions and the levels of the heart, the understanding of the Prophets and the level of the heart, the understanding of the angels and the levels of the heart. We pray that Allah dress us from these realities and bless us.